Moving on to 7.4 sources of organic compounds, petroleum, coal, and natural gas are vast reservoirs from which many organic compounds are obtained. These are called fossil fuels and are formed over a long period of time from the decay of plants and animals. Coal. It is believed that coal in nature was formed from the remains of the trees buried inside the Earth's crust for some 500 million years ago. Due to the bacterial and chemical reactions on wood, it got converted into peat. Then, as a result of high temperature and high boiling pressure inside the Earth's crust, peat got transformed into coal. So, the wood, dead plants, and trees with the bacterial and chemical reaction form peat. Peat at a high temperature and pressure form lignite. Lignite at pressure gives us bituminous coal, and at higher pressure it gives us anthracite. Coal is an important solid fuel, becomes a source of organic compound when are subjected to carbonization or destructive distillation, and coal is heated in the absence of air. Temperature ranging from 500 to 1000 degrees Celsius, it is converted into coke, coal gas, and coal tar. Coal tar contains a large number of organic compounds which separate out on fractional distillation. The total coal resources of Pakistan are estimated by the Geological Survey Pakistan to be 184 billion tons. About 80% of this coal is used to bake bricks in lime kilns. Besides, some quantity is used for domestic purposes. Conscious efforts are being made by the government to induct coal into industry by setting up coal based power units. The Sindh Coal Authority and the Directorates of Mineral Development of Punjab, Balochistan, and NWFP are all keen to expand coal utilization in power generation, for which many incentives have been made available. Natural gas is an important means of energy, especially for countries like Pakistan, which are deficit in the production of mineral and oil. It's a mixture of low boiling hydrocarbon. Major portion of the natural gas is methane. It is formed by decomposition of organic matter. In Pakistan, the gas, being cheaper, is used for power generation in cement and fertilizer industries, as a fuel in generation industries, and for domestic purposes. Then comes the petroleum. Oil is called petroleum when it is in the refined form. It is thought to have the principal fractions obtained from the petroleum are natural gas, uses as fuels and petrochemicals, petroleum ether, solvent, ligroin or naphtha, uh, solvent and raw material, gasoline is motor fuel, kerosene is heating fuel, gas oil is diesel and heating fuel. Lubricating oil and greases are lubrication, paraffin for wax products, and asphalt or petroleum coke for roofing, paving, fuel reducing agent. Being formed by slow chemical and biochemical decomposition, the remains of organic matter is found between the sedimentary rocks. When extracted from the rock, it appears like a liquid blackish color known as a crude oil. It is refined to get different petroleum fractions. At present, four oil refineries are in operation in our country. One oil refinery known as the Attak Oil Refinery is located at the near Morga near Rawalpindi. It is about 1.25 million tons of oil refining capacity. Similarly, two oil refineries have been established in Karachi, which have about 2.13 million tons of oil refining capacity, and the refinery known as the Pak Arab Refinery is located at Mahmud Court near Multan. The crude petroleum is separated by fractional distillation into a number of fractions, each corresponding to a particular boiling range.